Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be making Florentine cookies for Chinese New Year. These cookies are thin and crispy with nuts laced together with a delicate caramel. They are amazingly easy to make, very delicious and addictive with deep nutty and sweet caramel flavors. Florentine cookies will not only make a lovely gift during festive occasions, but are perfect sweet treats anytime. Come along with me to see how these cookies are made. First, we need to roast the three ingredients, namely the sunflower seeds, almond flakes, and pumpkin seeds. Spread all these seeds out evenly so that they will roast evenly in the oven. So then we are going to put it inside the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. We roast the nuts to improve their flavor, aroma, and texture. Roasting removes the raw, green, astringent flavors, resulting in a deeper, earthier, sweeter, and nuttier flavor. So 10 minutes later, our nuts have nicely been roasted. So we are going to cool our nuts first before we mix them together. So once the nuts have cooled, so we are going to pour it into a large mixing bowl. Mix all the nuts evenly like so. So add 20 grams of roasted white sesame seeds, 20 grams of black sesame seeds. This is Florentine powder. One packet is about 500 grams. You can see one packet here, it says Florentine powder, 500 grams. It imparts a delicious honey and butter aroma to our cookies. Let's have a look at the ingredients. The ingredients are glucose syrup, sugar, palm fat, dextrose, whole milk powder, and emulsifier. I bought this from a baking supply store from Pun Huat in Singapore. You can also get it online. So pour the Florentine powder with the nuts and mix all these thoroughly. The Florentine powder tends to form clumps, so press the clumps so that they all break up into powder. Then you can spread them out in a baking pan lined with baking paper. So we need to spread them up into an even layer to ensure even baking. Make sure that there are no ball patches because we want the nuts to hold together. So bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Alright, 20 minutes later, our nuts are ready, our Florentine cookies are ready, so we need to cut it while it is still warm. Otherwise, they become too crispy when they cool down, making it difficult to cut. You can just cut according to your preference. Okay, after cutting, cool it completely. These Florentine cookies can be served during Chinese New Year, Christmas, and on any other special occasion. These cookies make a good snack and often given to friends, neighbors, relatives as gifts. Florentine cookies will last up to a month if stored in an airtight container on the counter. Do not store them in the fridge as the cookies will soften after a few days. Look at how lovely these cookies turn out, beautifully textured and color variations from the nuts and seeds added. You can also use a round cookie cutter to form round Florentine cookies. You can also use cake ring, if you want a round shaped Florentine cookies. Just use the spoon to spoon the mixture into the ring evenly and thinly. You can also spoon the mixture into a non-stick muffin pan if you want it to be perfectly round. So do all until your pan is filled. We try to spread them out because these Florentine cookies tend to spread out a lot during the baking process, so we do not want them to stick together. So bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. So after baking, it looks beautiful like so. Look at how the cookies have spread out. There are some parts that are in contact, so you can cut and detach them while they are still warm. There you go, our round wafer-like version of our Florentine cookies, pretty as a picture. It will be a challenge not to finish an entire plate in one go. My son accidentally ate almost all, including the ones meant as gifts. Looks like I have to make a few more batches. Let's try one cookie.